Christmas is all about, we know it is all about a festive of cakes and decoration. But there's actual meaning about Christmas. Christmas is sharing of love and caring the poor, the needy. So this time it's more appreciated and encouraged by EMD staff that they have taken an initiative not only celebrating the event but also having a helping hand towards the orphanage. I'd like to speak a few words about Sneha Charitable Trust. I call upon Mr. Timothy and the team to please come upon the dais. Shall we all clap?